Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the tutorial which is about the Digital Learning and Skill Initiative program by the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. HEC has launched a Digital Learning and Skill Enrichment Initiative program in 2023 which have 18,000 pre-Coursera license, and these license will be issued to the students, faculty members and staff of both public and private sector universities free of cost. The registration fees is zero. The license will be allocated on first come first serve basis. There is no quota for any university. There are 5,000 plus full courses and 3,000 plus guided projects available in this license. The duration for this license will be 7 months, and the eligibility criteria is all the students, faculty member and staff of any public and private sector university with official email address which have edu.pk can apply for the registration. In this tutorial we will discuss the registration process and the guidance for starting the courses through this license. So first of all, go to the eservices.hec.gov.pk website, and a window will open of the HEC e-service portal. If you are already registered with the Higher Education Commission, then you can just log in into your account, and if you are not registered with the HEC, then you can sign up for the registration and creation of your account. So the URL is eservices.hec.gov.pk. Then if you are not already registered with the Higher Education Commission, then just click on the sign up for creation of your account in the HEC. It will require your first name, last name, nationality, CNIC number, password for your account, enter your phone number and primary email, and just click on submit. Then your account will be created in Higher Education Commission, and this is also important for your any correspondence with the Higher Education Commission, like degree attestation or any foreign degree registration or for anything. So if you are a student or faculty member and if you not have any account in the Higher Education Commission, then it will be better to create such type of account. Once you create and login into your HEC account, such window will be open. So for the registration of the e-courses license, just click on apply for e-courses at the right side of your screen. Apply for e-courses. So once you click on apply for e-courses, such type of the instruction and terms and conditions will be displayed. So carefully read out all these instructions. We will also discuss later on this tutorial. And after reading the terms and condition, select your user type. Either if you are a faculty member or staff member of any university, or if you are a student, so select your type. So for example, I am selecting it as a PhD student. So if you are student at any level, BSc level, master level and PhD level, so select your user type and check this box by selecting any category you are agreed our terms and condition, and click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, your personal information will be packed up from your account: your full name, father name, date of birth, gender, NIC number, primary email address. You can enter your academic details here. Select your university name, your respective university. All recognized university by HEC are available here. You can select your university. You can select your campus, any campus, main campus, and if other secondary campuses are available of your university. Discipline, of your study, mean agriculture, arts and humanities, biological sciences, to which discipline you are belonging. You can select your department of your respective university, program currently enrolled, either BSc master program or PhD program, and your degree qualification level, bachelor, MS and PhD. Also you can select here your semester in which you are currently enrolled, and the university registration number, date of admission, the date at which you are admitted in your university. Are you a student with disability? So if yes, then select yes, or not, then leave it no. Also here you can select your area of interest, the courses in which you are interested, that for example the arts and humanities, business, computer science, data science. Either you can select the courses of your choice, or you can select the all courses. And most important is this thing: enter your institute secondary email address. For example, I am entering my institute email address as a student, which is 11 PWAGR 0633 @uitpshower.edu.pk. This is most important. If you have such type of email address, then your form will be directly submitted, and it will be approved by the authorities. So enter your institute email address and submit the form. Okay, and if you have not your secondary institute email address, then you can enter any of your email address, but then you will have to upload your transcript or your student card, etc., so that it may verify you that you are currently an enrolled student in any HEC recognized university, and just click on submit the form. Once you click on submit the form, then your form will be submitted to the HEC, and here the status of the form will be changed as from saved to submitted. Now I have not completed the form, so it is just the status is just saved, and you completely fill up the form, then here the status will be submitted. Once you submit your application, so this is the procedure that first you have to start your registration at the e-service portal, select your courses, accept the terms and condition, fill up the registration form. Now once you submit your registration form, then it will be verified by the focal person. Each and every university has one focal person who will verify your form, that either you are a faculty member or you are a student of the respective university or not. So if it is verified by the focal person of the university, then an invitation link will be sent to the verified learner. If your account is verified by the university focal person, then you will get an email address, then you will get an email about the invitation for the e-courses. So once your details are verified and submitted by the focal person of your respective university, you will receive an invitation email from HEC. So once you receive such type of email from HEC, then click on join now. So clicking the link join now from the email invitation you have received, you will be directed to the digital learning and skill enrichment initiative program home page. And in order to join the program, you will have to click on the join. To do so, click on join button, and once you click on join, you will be directed to welcome to Coursera page, where you will have two options. If you have a new user, then click on the first option, and if you have already a Coursera account, then click on this one. And the advantage of this thing is that if you have already a Coursera account, then all of your past record will be linked with this account. And once, for example, if you are a new Coursera user, so such type of window will be open. If you select I am a new Coursera user, you will land on a second screen where you will be asked to create a password for your new account. Your new account will be created in the Coursera if you have not already an account. So create your password, and if you are already an existing Coursera user, your all existing data and all of the things will be linked into this account. So once you enter into your Coursera account and you create it, you will land on the learning program page where you will see two tabs: My Courses here and Browse Catalog. Here you will be able to see the recommended courses and learning tracks by HEC, which the courses which you have selected during the application for the license. So that recommended courses will be given here in My Courses and Browse Catalog. So how you will be get started in a courses, how you will be enrolled in a course. So after you create your account in Coursera or log into your existing account, you will be taken to the program home page. You will be taken into the program home page. Click on the Browse Catalog tab to browse the courses or the learning tracks which is for your program. Once you have chosen a course, for example, you have selected this course which is of your interest, so the detail of this course will be displayed. Okay, that what are the outline, what is the level of this course, what is the workload, the rating, and the detailed syllabus will be displayed. Then how you will start a course. So after you enrolled in a course, it will show you under My Courses. Here once you click on this tab, you will see all of the courses in which you are enrolled. Okay, so it will show under the My Courses tab on your program home page. Click on resume or preview on the right to enter the courses. Here you can enter your respective course and you can start your lectures. The course will be broken down by weeks, week number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Click on start to access the first module. Here you can click on the start one and you will be entered into your first lecture. Similarly, you can view your course progress. Every course page has a timeline, remember, to help you easily see how you are progressing through a course. You can see what you have completed and what you need to do the next. Similarly, you can resetting your deadlines, you can check your grades, and you can keep track of your completed assignments which are the requirement of the courses, and also you can discuss with your other friends and colleagues from the Coursera, and also you can find out some video segments or tutorials from the Coursera, and you can get the grades of your quizzes and assignments. And most importantly, there is also an app available for the mobile phone through which you can access your courses and your account, and you can download your certificates of completion after the successful completion of any subject. So remember, through this program which is started by the HEC free of cost, there is some limitation. Once your email is verified by the focal person of your respective university, then an invitation link will be sent to you, which we have discussed. Now after this, there is some restriction that, for example, if you are inactive for the first 15 days, your license will be expired, your license will be revoked, and it will be issued into another applicants from the waiting list. And for example, if you are active within the first 15 days, then you can continue your learning. Okay, and if you have not completed at least one course in 30 days, then again your license will be cancelled, it will be revoked, and it will be issued allotted to the next applicant from the waiting list. And if you have completed at least one course in the 30 days, then you can continue learning licensed. You can continue your learning from your respective license. And for other info, this is the main link, DLSEI.hec.gov.pk, in which you can search about the program, the courses. You can for learning track, and you can also download some video tutorial. You can know about your university focal person. Okay, this was all about the tutorial. Thank you.